How to find saved passwords on your iPhone 16 series. So if you've been trying to find out the passwords that you've saved on your iPhone, now starting from iOS 18, Apple actually changed the way you store password, and this can be achieved using the help of an app called Passwords itself. So the password app, if you're using iOS 18, it might come pre-installed for you, but most of the times you might also need to download it from your app store. So when you have access to this app and then you open it up, all the information that maybe that you went ahead and then tried it, they will actually go ahead and then show up within this password tab. So here you can scroll and you can set different type of passkeys, security, even Wi-Fi passwords that you've saved. All of those passwords which actually show up within this particular app. So this is the way on how you can find all of your saved password on the iOS 16 series or later. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.